Welcome to this video where I am going to work with Drifter here. So many of you might have known him from Meet My Horses video that I posted, but this is him. He's a quarter horse gelding. It's disgustingly muddy. He's disgustingly muddy. We've basically done nothing all winter, but I thought it'd be fun to film a little session. We're gonna do a little bit of training, a little bit of work, see what we can do. Ignore what he looks like, it's just the season. It'll only get better from here. Today was not the day to wear white. I don't know what I was thinking, but this is the only shirt I had. Last winter, we did a lot of trick training. Like I said, I haven't done anything this year. It's just been kind of a weird time. I have a halter, but I think I honestly just wanna try free because I feel like that's fun. And it's funner for him. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a horse trainer. I'm not an animal trainer. I just figure things out on my own. And so it's a lot of trial and error. So I don't recommend myself as anything as such. But here he is trying to give me a Spanish walk that I'm not asking for, but it's very good. The biggest thing, I'm ignoring this because I'm not asking for it. And I'm just gonna start with moving of his body parts. So when I hold the whip at his hip, might have to give him a tap, but he should just move his hip. So that clicking sound is like the clicker. And so when he does something good, I click and then he gets a reward for said click. So that was very good. We'll try the other side. He gets confused sometimes with like coming towards me and moving away, just because there is a cue for that as well. Good job. He's very food motivated, so this is very easy for him to want to give things. So we can try with the shoulder now as well. It's so muddy. I'm sorry, dude. And we're trying to do it so that his back foot kind of stays in place and then just his front feet move. But we're not amazing at that. It's probably better with a halter. And there's also something to be said about like not treating him when he's in my space. He's supposed to be away from my space. So we'll see. We can do a side pass. Minus the tree. Good boy. Nice. So I'm ignoring this because this is bad. And then I will take it to him. Now we have a fancy move where I can hypothetically do it like this. Not the bum though. We need the whole body. It's a bit rusty. Good try. Yes, that was good. So I should be able to like push and pull, push him, and then pull him. Woo, not the bum. It's a little sideways. Yes. So hypothetically, if I walk away, he should follow. But the halter is more interesting. Yes. He's like, nah, I like the like on the spot exercises, thanks. Good boy. Yes. Good. Good. So I was trying to push him around that tree. Kind of worked. We can ask him to back up here too. Back, back, back. But like straight backing. We don't have a lot of like draw in. I need to work on that on the line. He's like, this is too much effort, lady. I don't want to be doing this right now. So I'll send him out this way. Good. And you can almost blend him around these trees. Just a little bit of energy for the trot. Good. Nice. That was very good. He's a pro. And then we should be able to change directions. Ask for the trot again. It's tough stuff in the mud. Oh, nice. So there is some things to like work on of him like stopping straight, not turning in unless I ask him to turn in. We can try that side pass from this direction when he's done chewing. He really wants the Spanish walk, but you need both your chest and your hip. Yes. Yeah. Move him away and then bring him back in. It's not super clear. He's just confused. Oh. Yes. And I'm not gonna let him have it until he is in a neutral position. And then I'm gonna ask for that. Yes. Considering we haven't done hardly anything, he's doing very well. We can try the Spanish walk. I want to work on the Spanish walk a little bit better for him holding his feet, which I'm not asking for a Spanish walk right now. Back, back, back. See, we need the halter for this because he's confused. And it's partially me. I don't fully always know, so I'm not always giving him the right cues. Back. Yes. Back. Back. That was good and straight, so we'll give him the treat for that. So I do use the verbal cue yes, which is similar to what I use in my dog training as well, because I find it helps to let him know that he's doing the right thing. Yes. Don't cut me off in the trees. Yes, good. Nice. Ooh. When I'm asking him to go this way, you want him to cross his front legs like that. And I can push him out. Keep the momentum. A little bit of attitude. Yes. Nice. Ooh. And we'll try and do the little Spanish walkie walk. We'll see what we can do. Can you step? Yes. Step. And step. So the moving forward part is the tricky part. And I did watch a video saying you should like get them to hold, step. Get them to like hold their leg, like to bring it forward. So I'm actually gonna put a halter on him just to work on this because I wanna get that forward motion going. You just need like a little bit of guidance with that. But you can see that he does everything free will on his own accord. I'm not forcing him to be here. He likes to be here. He's a very willing horse. The halter is required sometimes for learning, and in this case, for sure. Step. Yes. So I'm just gonna like try and get just a little bit of forward momentum with each leg by just gently pulling on the rope. Step. Step. Yes. He's just confused by what I'm asking here. That's fine. Step. Yes. He gets a little bit donkey just in general on the rope. That's like something that we deal with a lot of the time. So he doesn't love being like pulled forward. I do need to do more research on like how to really get that momentum. I'm not asking for it, so you can't just give it for free. Back, 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 back. Good. Come. I think I need like a better cue. So you can do this kind of at a walk too. Beside me. Try not to die in the snow. Ooh. Yes, that was very good. That was very straight, so that's like a big thing. I'm gonna turn him around and see what we can do with this one exercise that I have. I'm wondering if he'll remember it. Yes. So what we're aiming for here is this is the beginning of the laydown actually. So you want him to kind of do that natural. The digging is new, he's never done that before, but that's perfect because the buckling of the knees is what we're looking for. Yes. I can't remember, it's this side I guess I asked for a bow. So we can ask for a bow, that would be kind of fun. Good boy. Wait, do you remember how? Remember how? Bow. Good boy. Bow. Bow. Oh, great. So I want to keep him in it for longer. Bow. 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 Close. We've never done it like this. I've never not helped him, so he's like not sure. Okay, so I will help him again just by picking up his foot. Bow. Bow. Good. That was good. That was good. Now get him to hold it. That's the next step. Bow. Bow. Almost. Whew. We'll leave that one at that. So that was very good. That was a lot of brain for him and he did really well. So we'll send it off with like a little game of chase. Ooh. It's like the worst ground ever. Good boy. I want to show you something cool. We will turn the camera around. I want to see if he can figure this out. It's been a while since we've done it too. Wrong way. Wrong way. But I'll take it. Good. But you gotta stay there. Yeah, it's technically the other way around. Good choice. Good. So you should be able to get them like, but you gotta stay. It's like squishing me. Technically, if we take them over here, and then I go over here and I say, I need on my trusty steed. Oh, he says, okay, I'm coming for you. Good boy. So that was very, very good little session for him. It's a lot of brain for not having done much for brain. They're very, very smart. We don't give them enough credit. A lot of these were built over like one winter, and I'd like to build on them more. He's very willing to please, loves people, loves being where the action is, loves to work. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you like this kind of content. I was trying to tell you what I was doing, but we don't really know what we're doing. We're just trying, and we don't always get it right, but that's okay. He's a good boy. This is Drifter. Maybe you got to know him a little bit better. He's a pretty cool guy, even though he's just brown. Brown is good. The brown ones are so good. I can do this with my dog as well. My dog knows a lot of tricks because we've spent a long time working on tricks. He's gonna knock over the camera now. Say bye. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little insight into some of the training that we do. If you like this video and you enjoyed it, leave a comment below, give the video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!